1,000 visitors in 3 days to your site. Guys, give me the next 20 minutes and I'm going to show you a site that will help you get 1,000 visitors to your website in 3 days. Stay tuned for the training. Okay guys, before you go into the training, I would like to show you a lead capture system that has really grown my email list. It is called Lead Skimmer, and I'll have a link below. Look at my stats. And I'm going to tell you this, look at this, 2,422 leads. Guys, let me tell you this. This actual lead capture page converts, guys. I'm just telling you. I want to show you, let me just show you my inbox really quick. Look at there, Lead Skimmer, Lead Skimmer, Lead Skimmer. No matter where you market it, you will get leads coming into your system. All you got to do is plug and play. All of this is a part of Global MPN. So once you come in and join, and if you start to see emails from Global MPN, this is the family. So go ahead and get you a Lead Skimmer account so you can start getting leads just like this really quick. I'll see you guys on the inside. What's going on, guys? I got another video. Sorry I hadn't made a video in a while. I'm fixing to get back active. Had some studying I need to do on some new marketing strategies. So I wanted to do that, and I will get back to our work from home job opportunities. But today we want to go another video on traffic ad bar. And what I'm going to talk about today is, look, when you actually go to the actual affiliate link, look at this. It will tell you, consumer warning, we will deliver up to 1,022 visitors to your website every 3 days for free. And I want to show you this so you will not be misled on how you do this. Now, this is the way this works, and I want to make sure you guys are tracking on this. You do have to have something that you have to do. It only takes less than 10 minutes a day, but to maximize the traffic that you can get to your sites, if I was you, this is me, I will give it at least 15 to 20 to 30 minutes a day. That's all it takes. If you do not have money to bring traffic to your site, all you will have to do is actually serve 15, try 10 minutes a day, try 15 minutes a day, and try 30 minutes a day. If you went to 30 minutes a day and you have a good offer, you have people to start opting to your list. Now, you just can't come in and put a sales page out there and expect people to buy from you. First of all, you've got to create an opt-in list. And when you create this opt-in list, then you can get the lead and then show them what it takes to actually get traffic to your system with traffic ad bar. But today I'm going to show you my method of getting traffic to traffic ad bar. So this is what I want to show you. Now check this out. Right now, traffic ad bar for a limited time. That's why you have to log into your traffic ad bar every day. All it takes is 30 minutes a day. You can log in from traffic ad bar from your phone and just browse through the sites while you're at work, on a break. And when I say 30 minutes a day, it don't have to be 30 minutes at one time. You can do 10 minutes later on when you think about a day, 10 minutes later on when you think about a day, 10 minutes. You can do 10 minutes of 3 or 4 times, and you've got your 30 minutes a day. Now let's just take a look at this. Let's take a look at this really quick. I had to move my number bar. See right there, for a limited time, you getting double surfing points. So all I'm doing is clicking on this link right here. We're going through here, clicking on this link. And what I do is, when I look at other people ad, I look at it as though, do that attract me where I wanted to put my name and email address in there? You could do the same. So therefore, you like, I got 200 points. If that was a normal day, that would have been 100 points there. So what these points do, it takes you to your website. And as you gather these points, you go up on this tree. And when you go up on this tree, the more your site is visited, guys. This is what you do. I'm just telling you this. Even though this is free, this is an effective traffic exchange. I know a lot of people don't like to mess with that, but what you need to do is go here and surf and then pass your affiliate link on to your friends. That's what helps you go up in the traffic exchange. Like, I'm looking at some of these guys, and some of these guys I get to see often. The reason why I'm seeing them often, because they're consistent. Anything in the online business or online marketing or the online social media presence, you have to be consistent. And so I'm short on that from time to time. I still work a full-time job. So this is where you need to go. Go ahead and, like, right now I got 100 points for surfing those 24. I took the points, and then once that thing surfs around, that's 100 points. Then I click on one of his ads, and then I get more points that way. Extremely powerful. So this is how I do it. Periodically, so that's another 220 points. Now let's just keep browsing. Another thing, once you sign in, you can log in and they send you a daily email. You need to click on that email daily. That I think they give you like 20-25 sites to surf. You could do that only and climb up the ladder in no time, guys. And that takes about, I think I calculated it, it takes about, to do all those sites, probably less than 7 minutes. If you only done that every day, you will get a tremendous amount of traffic to your sites. I'm telling you guys, this is a effective method of getting traffic to your sites. But let me tell you something. You have to have a lead capture page that attracts people. Like, you look at this one. Let's just look at this one. I'm trying to click on it. See, this one right here probably not going to attract anybody. So let's go to the next one. You know, you want, like right here, you're talking about getting people to shop here. What you want to do, if you were a merchant that was actually shopping, you would do a lead capture page and tell, how would you like to get shopping deals or blase. And then you get their email and you send these emails to these people that are looking for shopping opportunities of stuff. Like, here, look at this one. Generate up to 10,000 visitors per month to your primary business. Now, he has to come in and fix this font where this font is going on top of each other. But that's the kind of stuff you could do to attract email to your business. If you think about this, if you consistently surf here a traffic ad bar and you getting 1,000 visitors every 3 days, if you actually consistent on surfing and providing traffic back to your links, you could probably do more than that. Look at this one. This one, let's say page builder, email marketing tracker. Here, look at here. You getting an email. So that's pretty good. Page builder, email market, targeting traffic. That's a way to come in and get traffic to your system. Look at that. 200 points right there. Normally that's 100 points. But right now, for a limited time, we're giving double points for the most of it. So if you see this video, once I upload it, guys, you need to go ahead and join and get this traffic to your system. 10 minutes a day minimum. But if I was you, 30 minutes a day will get traffic to your system, and you don't pay anything, guys. You don't pay it. I'm an upgraded member because I wanted more, but you don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. Just come in and browse and look at the sites, and then you'll get to see what's hurting people. A lot of people, like, see right here, this is a lead capture page because it's just getting instant access, and you'll put in your email there. A lot of people come in here and does not do a lead capture page, and they don't capture the lead. You got to capture the lead. That's one thing you got to communicate with people, and all it would take is 10. I'm gonna say 30 minutes a day. And the reason why I say 30 minutes a day, you want to be above your competitors. Anything you do in online marketing, you're competing with other people. Like, done for your system. Discover how nearly homeless veteran went from broke to over 2,000 a week. That's something you may want to look into. So those the kind of attractive things that you want to try to do. So I'm just wanting to kind of pass this on. Okay, right here, I am very familiar with this program right here. Very good program. Not for me, but it's a very good program. So look here, they're asking for your email. Very good system here. Very, very powerful system. But look how I'm sitting here gaining points right here. 6,780 points. And all it takes is for you to go ahead and click each day. this is pretty good here. These gift rewards, these programs are really, really good. How you make your money is you introduce other people that gets these gift rewards, and that's how you make your money there. So yeah, guys, very powerful system. Legitimate programs that are out here on this site. I consider this, for most of the people who gives reviews, the traffic ad bar is probably one of the #1 traffic exchanges that's online. So yeah, you want to take advantage of that. So, but yeah, I want to go ahead and cut this video short. I try to keep my videos around 10 minutes so it won't bore you. But yeah, go ahead. I'll have a link below. Go ahead and get started. There is no catch to this. There's nothing you have to pay if you don't want to pay, but you do want to get traffic to your system. Guys, take care, be blessed, and I'll see you on the next video.